With the use of only one heart that was donated, we were able to save the lives of 3 children.
Even though Hend's heart was weak, her valves still worked very well. And they were a good size to donate to both John and Teddy.
We can't thank her and her family enough.
Yeah, and she's such a lovely, lovely girl. I mean, she's just amazing.
Thank you for everything.
Yeah.
Hend came to us so sick that her heart couldn't pump enough blood to all of her other organs, and she needed heart transplant.
At about 2 months old, we found out that Teddy had an aortic stenosis, causing the blood to not pump through his heart the way it should be. He had open heart surgery at 2 months old, and then his valve unfortunately started to leak.
John has truncus arteriosus. He has 1 outflow valve from his heart instead of 2.
I took John to surgery when he was about 5 days old, but we needed to use an artificial valve. Those don't grow with the child, so John was going to need multiple reoperations for the rest of his life. When Hend's transplant became available, we realized with the domino split route, we could save 3 lives.
This is when you split 2 valves from 1 heart. You get the aortic valve for patient A and a pulmonary valve for patient B.
It set off a cascade of events whereby we needed to coordinate 3 operations back to back. We decided Dr. Kalfa would do the heart transplant, and we would simultaneously take Hend's pulmonary valve to fix John's heart.
Then, after finishing the transplant on Hend, I had the opportunity to do the other operation on Teddy, the implantation of this living aortic valve.
It was a really long, scary night.
When it's your child, it takes you to places you don't want to go to as a parent.
Happily, I didn't encounter any issues during the cases.
This is what he does all day.
And it's very exciting to be part of this innovation.
New York-Presbyterian was actually one of the first centers in the United States to have performed a split domino heart valve transplant.
I'll give her a high five. Thank you.
I feel amazing to see them healthy and good.
The 3 patients are doing incredibly well, which is, as you can imagine, extremely rewarding, and will most probably not require multiple reoperations down the road, which is a game changer for these children.
When we all met each other, it was such a scary time, and then 6 months later to just be normal and free, it's overwhelming a little bit to see how far we've come and how great the kids are doing.